Hostinger has been raising quite a few waves lately, from getting crowned as the fastest growing hosting company to getting a recommendation from WordPress creators themselves. There's a lot of buzz, but is all the hype actually justified? Let's find that out. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Hostinger stands out with several impressive features that set them apart from the competition. First, they use their own custom-built control dashboard called hPanel instead of the traditional cPanel. It's clean, modern, and incredibly user-friendly. Installing WordPress, it takes just a few clicks instead of navigating through endless confusing forms. Their AI ecosystem is particularly impressive. The AI website builder can generate a complete website in minutes. You just answer a few questions about your project and it creates everything from design to content automatically. For WordPress users, they offer smart automatic updates that create backups and check for compatibility issues before updating plugins, solving one of the biggest headaches for beginners. Performance-wise, Hostinger uses Lightspeed servers and NVMe storage, delivering loading times under 1 second for basic sites and around 1.5 seconds with content, easily beating Google's 2.5-second recommendation for optimal SEO results. They maintain 99.99% uptime, sometimes even hitting 100%, which is exceptional for shared hosting. Security features include free SSL certificate, automatic weekly or daily backups depending on your plan, DDoS protection, malware scanning, and an AI troubleshooter that can automatically detect and fix common issues without requiring manual intervention. Pricing. Here's where Hostinger really shines compared to the competition. Looking at their 1-month pricing, the premium plan costs $12.99 per month, the business at $13.99 per month, and the cloud startup plan is $27.99 per month. The price will go lower the more months you go. Now what's remarkable is the value you get. Premium plan includes 20 gigs SSD storage, support for 3 websites, free domain for a year, and access to their AI website builder. The business plan, marked as most popular, adds e-commerce functionality, 50 gigabyte NVMe storage, support for 50 websites, and daily backups. The cloud startup plan offers 100 gig storage, dedicated IP, and priority support. Compare this to competitors who limit you to 10 gigabyte storage on their cheapest plan. Hostinger gives you twice as much for similar or lower prices. Now let's move on to the pros and the cons. For the pros, Hostinger offers exceptional value for money, with no hidden fees or aggressive upselling tactics. Their hPanel is genuinely beginner-friendly, making website management actually enjoyable. The AI tools make website creation incredibly accessible, and performance is outstanding for the price point. They're also transparent about renewal pricing, clearly showing when rates are going to change. For the cons, the hPanel occasionally experiences slowdowns or freezes, though these issues are rare and not deal breakers. The frequent updates and improvements, while beneficial, can sometimes be disruptive when you've gotten used to a certain layout. For large-scale e-commerce projects, the platform may feel somewhat limited compared to specialized enterprise solutions. So in conclusion, Hostinger is better for beginners, small to medium businesses, and anyone looking for reliable hosting without breaking the bank. Particularly ideal if you want modern features, AI assistance, and transparent pricing, without the usual hosting industry tricks and upsells. Thanks for watching.